Hey you guys, what's up? It's been a while. I know I haven't been posting any videos, but I am here and I hope you do enjoy this video. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that that notification bell so you'll know when I do upload videos. So as you can see by the title, we are doing a Bornpretty, well, we're using Bornpretty gel polishes, and we are going to be doing a Pride set of nails. And happy Pride month. And yeah, so I won't be talking through the whole video as usual, just doing a little introduction. And here are the Bornpretty gel polishes. And also when you do decide to use these, or if you are interested in using these gel polishes, you can find them on my Amazon storefront. I will leave that link in the description box below. And also you can use my discount code for these gel polishes as well. So I will be doing a Pride set of nails, like a fun Pride set of nails. And yeah, so I did leave everything in this time. I didn't do any filing or anything like that. I did leave, like, you know, me painting the nails, and because I want you guys to see all the colors. And also I did leave in me putting on the top coat. Usually I don't do that, but this time in the video I did do that. So once again, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. And first you will see the swatches and you will see everything else followed behind that, as well as the nail set. So stay to the end to see this gorgeous nail set that I did. I really enjoyed doing this. I had so much fun doing this set. So yeah, so I hope to see you guys on my next video. Until then,